Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel, and we've got another unboxing. We have finished the fall scents, so had a great time with that, checking out all these fall scents. It was a little bit overwhelming with all these products coming in, but this one is not a fall scent. This one is from Crusher's Creations. He's got a brand new scent dropping. I think it's October the 4th, so I'm not exactly sure what day I'll post this, so it may be today or it may be coming up this weekend. And I saw a few people get this ahead of time, and they were really liking it. And it's supposed to be more on the cologne-ish side, but also some guys that don't traditionally like colognes were really digging this. So that's kind of me. I don't traditionally like a lot of the colognes, but I'm starting to warm up to them for beard scents because it doesn't have the alcohol in it. It's just kind of a totally different smell than what I grew up with colognes, and kind of leaving a vapor trail and everybody in the room smelling you when you walk in. So a lot of these beard oil scents that are cologne scented aren't like that. Okay, you still find some that are pretty strong, but I tend to like the ones that are a little lighter. So we're going to take a look at this one and see what we've got as soon as I finish ripping open this box. Okay, pay no attention to that. So Brian's been reworking some of his labeling, always trying to improve. He's improved his, he keeps improving things. He improved his balm. He says now he's done a little tweak on his butter, which was already one of the top butters on the market. So just keeps on improving. So I love that. So let's see what we've got. It's called Enlightened, Crusher's Creations. So it looks like I got the oil, the balm. Nope, I got the oil and the butter, it looks like, and then he sent something else too, which is cool. All right, so we'll start with the extra butter he sent is in his absinthe scent, which is a really cool scent. He's reworked all his scents too. A lot of his original scents, he's kind of sold all the ones he had, and then he's kind of went back and started tweaking the formulas on those a little bit. Nice little card here. Thank you for everything you do. Hope you enjoy. I know I will. So this one is absinthe in the butter. And, oh, perfect. It did not melt at all. Yeah, and this one, the absinthe, I didn't think I wanted to smell it until I got some samples of it, and then I love it. But it's, it's got the star anise in it, which is supposed to be like the licorice, but it doesn't really smell like licorice. This one's a nice, rich, little bit sweet, almost like a bubble gum, but in a really, really good way, in a complex way. So I really love that. And the butter just comes out so nice and creamy. So that is absinthe. Thank you so much for that one, Brian. I appreciate it. And now we're going to check out the brand new scent called Enlightened. And it looks like I've got that in the oil and the butter. And he said I was going to be the first one to get the new bottle. So if you check out that bottle, it is in the kind of a squarish bottle. And it's got the shrink wrap on it. We'll take that off. There it goes. And let's see what we've got. Yep, so he went with the restrictor, which I like those as well. It'll be kind of interesting to see if I can tell you the difference between that and the dropper. It's been a while since I've had a lot of the oils that have this on it. Most of them are the dropper. All right, so here we go. Just got to put out a little bit here. Definitely a little bit like a nice light cologne. Let me try it again. Warm it up. Yeah, that's exactly what I get. Oh, I get a little more of a woodsy kind of something on it too. Nice woodsy cologne. Put that in my beard. Not overpowering, but it's definitely there. Yeah, I'm starting to dig the cologne scents. I never thought I would. And your nose just adjusts after doing this for just almost 2 years now. You keep trying new things, your nose keeps evolving as your beard keeps evolving, I guess. And then here is the butter in the Enlightened. Yeah, and this one settled a little bit to the side, but it didn't really melt at all. That's nice. Put a little bit of that in. I'll put a little bit more. Man, that is just hydration. Yeah, that's a good cologne. It's a kind of got a woodsy-ish cologne, very manly, not too overpowering. I have to try it. I think I might could actually wear it as a nighttime butter. You know, as long as I put it in about an hour before bedtime, I think that would work. Oh yeah, I'm digging that. So if you're into the cologne scents, slightly woodsy, if you're into any of that, you definitely want to check out this Enlightened. In fact, you want to check out all of Crusher's stuff if you have not. I highly recommend them. I think I've liked every scent I've tried except for the Java Jolt, and I mean I've tried probably 8 or 9 of his scents, and they were all just hits. You rarely do you find that high of a percentage of scents you like from a companies, but there's a couple companies out there where I like most of their scents, and Crushers is right at the very top of that. So as always, guys, I appreciate you watching. Checked out Crushers. Brian, thank you for sending me the stuff to review here. I always appreciate you you putting your faith in me and want me to promote your products here on my channel. So I do appreciate that, and I love spreading the word. Thanks, guys. We'll see you on the next video.